Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I will walk through the process of transforming EDI files. This is the first example, and I will create another video with more complex source directory structure. First of all, what we need to do, we need to copy sample file into a live environment, waiting folder. As you can see, the rest of the folders is empty. Let me run it. It's all completed because we only have one file. Let me show you the folders. So we have a file in the backup folder. We have a converted file with new format. And waiting folder is empty now. So let me walk you through the process. So the first action is set variables. We can use it to change the variables. For example, we can say that now we want to work with test environment instead. We just type test here. Or we can override some of the directories like QED or buffer. So basically, we can override this. So the next step is we are looping over the files. So we find the files in this directory. Again, it is variables, it is calculated. Then we assign the file name to this variable. If you go on type, see here is the file, the source file we're going to process. The next step, we clear the buffer because we want it to be empty, so we delete everything. Note that this one is false. Then we copy file to the buffer, again using the variable, so that's the variable. And that's a variable as well. Variables are very important because it's very easy to make a mistake. So the next step, we actually validate the data. And in case of success, we transform the data. And then we move it to a backup folder, the original file. And we rename a completed file. Into this one. Final file is calculated when we run validation. And if our transformation fails, we move it to failed folder. Again, using variable. You can see all the steps in the notes. Okay, thank you for watching. If you want us to help you with your transformation or validation, please feel free to contact us. Otherwise, if you have any questions, please go to our support forum and ask them there. And as usual, please like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.